Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. Now back to the news. Washington House Judiciary Committee Chairman Jim Jordan insisted Thursday that Fulton County, Georgia, District Attorney Fani Willis detail any contact with federal officials about her prosecution of former President Donald Trump as he prepares for his fourth arrest this year. Jordan, R. Ohio, sent the demand to Willis, an elected Democrat, hours before Trump was scheduled to arrive in Atlanta to be booked into the county's jail, where he will become the first president in U.S. history to pose for a mugshot, after avoiding that formality in his 3 prior criminal cases. The 5-page letter from Jordan, a staunch defender of Trump, lays out Republican pushback against Willis's prosecution ahead of the Trump surrender, and suggests that her case could be designed to interfere with the 2024 presidential election, in which the 77-year-old is the Republican frontrunner against President Biden. The Georgia case accuses Trump and 18 co-defendants, including former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani and former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, of forming a criminal conspiracy to overturn Biden's narrow 2020 win in the Peach State. Given the weighty federal interests at stake, the committee is conducting oversight of this matter to determine whether any legislative reforms are appropriate or necessary, Jordan wrote. Such reforms could include changes to the federal officer removal statute, immunities for federal officials, the permissible use of federal funds, the authorities of special counsels, and the delineation of prosecutorial authority between federal and local officials. A bill proposed by Judiciary Committee member Representative Russell Fry, R. South Carolina, the No More Political Prosecutions Act, would let former presidents and vice presidents transfer state criminal cases to federal courts, so that elected partisans would not be able to charge leaders of the opposing party. Jordan questioned the timing of the case, noting that press reports said Willis opened her investigation in February 2021. Yet, you did not bring charges until 2.5 years later, at a time when the campaign for the Republican presidential nomination is in full swing, he wrote. Moreover, you have requested that the trial in this matter begin on March 4, 2024, the day before Super Tuesday, and 8 days before the Georgia presidential primary. It is therefore unsurprising many have speculated that this indictment and prosecution are designed to interfere with the 2024 presidential election. Jordan did not describe any evidence, but wrote that there are questions about whether and how your office coordinated with Dobbs special counsel Jack Smith during the course of this investigation, and Congress has an interest in any such activity that involves federal law enforcement agencies and officials that fall under its oversight.